Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another FX tutorial. Today we will be learning how to remove background noise from your audio using the Audacity editing program. First things first, I have a link down in the description below so you guys can download Audacity. It's a free program by the way. Next, if needed, you will need a white noise audio file, link in the description as well. The one I will be using sounds like this. Alright, so here's the original audio I want fixed. This is the audio test. In a few moments, the background noise will be removed, or in some cases, decently muted. Pausing now. Alright, let's see if it worked. It has an annoying amount of static noise in it. This audio was ripped straight out of my DSLR camera without a mic on. Once you're in Audacity, drag your original audio and white noise file onto the timeline. I'll show you guys two different ways. The first method is doable if your audio has dead zone moments, basically where there's parts where only background noise is picked up and nothing else. This actually works much better because it would directly match the rest of the background noises throughout the audio clip, specifically behind speaking parts. Once we finish this technique, the appearance of the wave heights will be much smaller, indicating the noise removal we just did. I'm going to select the long stretch of nothing here. Next, I'll just go into Effect and then select Noise Reduction. I personally never change these variables because they work perfectly for most of the audio I work on. The next step is to click Get Noise Profile. This basically tells the program this is the type of noise you want reduced throughout the audio file. After that, I'll highlight the whole audio file and then go back to Effect and Noise Reduction. But this time, all I will need to do is click OK. As you guys can see, the audio lengths look different. This is the audio test. In a few moments, the background noise will be removed, or in some cases, decently muted. Pausing now. Alright, let's see if it worked. A simple warning for y'all. If you do decide to try and do this effect over again, it will begin to distort the audio. But that's it. Let's move on to the second method. So just in case your audio doesn't have dead zone moments that are usable, you'll need an extra audio file that has some sort of background noise in it. The more similar the noise sounds to the original audio file, the chances of removing the correct noise will be higher. I will repeat the same steps here, but this time I will be getting the noise profile from the white noise audio file. I will then proceed to highlight the original audio file and use the noise reduction there. This is the audio test. In a few moments, the background noise will be removed, or in some cases, decently muted. Pausing now. Alright, let's see if it worked. As you guys can hear, it did tone down the background noise, but not as effectively. So that's all I have for now. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you have any further questions, leave a comment down below. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials, leave a like, and as always, happy editing. I'll see you guys next time.